I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a test question from my student's test paper on quadratic functions. The question here is, the area of a volleyball court can be represented by the trinomial 2a plus 1 whole square minus 11 times 2a plus 1 plus 28. Find the binomials that represent the length and width of the volleyball court. So what we're given here is a quadratic equation, right? So this represents the area. So we are given the area of the court as equal to 2a plus 1 whole square minus 11 times 2a plus 1 plus 28, right? So that's the area of the court, and we need to find the length and width of the court. That basically means that we need to factor this equation, right? So once you have two factors, one of the factor can represent the length, the other factor will represent the width. So that is how we are going to solve it, okay? Now we can write 2a plus 1 as some variable, let us say x, right? So we'll replace it with x and then continue. So we could write this as x squared minus 11x plus 28, correct. Now to factor this, we're looking for product and sum. So we need product of two numbers as 28, right? And we need sum of two numbers as minus 11. So what could these two numbers be? 7 times 4 will work, right? So we have 7 times 4, both negative when multiplied will give us 28 positive, and when you add you get minus 11, right? So these are the key numbers. So we could factor this as x minus 7 times x minus 4. So that becomes length and width. Now let's substitute back x as 2a plus 1. So we have this as 2a plus 1 minus 7, and here we have 2a plus 1 minus 4. Rewrite this. Combining these two terms, we have 2a minus 6 times 2a minus 3, correct? So that becomes the sides. So the volleyball court has kind of dimensions mentioned here, which are, one of them could be 2a minus 3, the other one 2a minus 6, right? So that is how you get length and width of the court from the given expression. Do you see that? So that is our answer. So our answer is the volleyball court is 2a minus 6 times 2a minus 3 units, right? So that is what the solution is. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can share and subscribe my videos to understand the concepts. Thank you and all the best.